Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can connect Twitter with Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here, show menu, and then go to power-ups, and right here Twitter. And you will find it here. What you want to do is just click on it. And now go with the add. Okay. When I go back and I'm going on Twitter. Oh my god, I have blocked sites. So I know I have a streamer here, and okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll just click here, and now I will see power-ups Twitter. You can link your Twitter account, authorize app. Okay, and now URL of tweet. You can add this one or you can add different one. It's really up to you. So yeah. Another way is just attach a link like here. And here we go. And this is how you add the tweets here. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.